Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to compare the CPU throttling test comparison between all of these three smartphones with a different processors in this video. Starting with the first phone, which is a Realme X1 Max device. Second is a Realme GT Master Edition. Third is the iQOO 7 device. Snapdragon 870, Snapdragon 778G and Dimensity 1200 processor. Let's see friends which phone has got what type of CPU throttling test comparison side by side. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. First, all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. And during this process, I'm not using any GT mode, no high performance mode, nothing is enabled. Let's open the CPU throttling test application between all of these four smartphones, and there is no ultra game mode. So ultra game mode is not enabled friends, and there is no monster mode, nothing is enabled. Let's go to the settings and use the same settings, which is 100 threads. Same 100 threads I'm trying to use between all of these three smartphones. Let's start the test without wasting any time. Let's see how much difference we can actually expect friends between the graph. So how will be the graph will be there? Is the graph kind of stable or not? 29.6, 30 and 28.8. These are the temperatures in the beginning. And I'm going to be back after some time just to check the temperatures, what's happening between all of these three smartphones. You can check the battery percentage as well, 49%, 61% and 53%, in case if you want to take a note about the battery percentage levels. And I will be back after maybe 5 minutes of time, 5 minutes of CPU throttling. Then again I'll try to compare all the phones side by side. This is after the recent Realme UI 3.0 update friends in the Realme GT Master Edition. That's the reason I thought of comparing with other phones, just to demonstrate which phone is really stable. I will be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, we are getting close to exactly 10 minutes of time. Let's check the temperatures. 38.6, 39 degrees Celsius in the Realme X1 Max, and 37.8 degrees and 38.4 degrees Celsius. As usual, the Realme X1 Max is always high with the temperatures 39.2 degrees, and you can see the throttling, how much it's happening in the Realme X1 Max. Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 778G versus Snapdragon 870. So usually the Snapdragon 778G is perfect processor friends. I wish the Xiaomi could have included in the 11i device with the Snapdragon 778G. That could be really good. But right now, as you can see the comparison, 39 degrees, 38.4 degrees and 39 degrees. Slightly iQOO 7 also increasing with the temperatures, 39 degrees. And I'm going to be back friends after some time. So this test will continue for about another more 5 minutes as well. But overall till now, the Realme GT Master Edition, the graph is looking really good at this moment. And I'm going to be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, we are getting close to the final test results, and finally we got we are getting about 15 minutes of time. And you can see the throttling, how it's happening in the Realme X1 Max. So that's the reason friends, a lot of users are actually preferring the Snapdragon process for really good stable performance for long time. But 778G in the Realme GT Master Edition, which is no CPU throttling detected even after the recent update, and CPU throttle up to 89% in the iQOO 7 device and 66% in the Realme X1 Max device. Between all of these three smartphones, now you can definitely see clearly what's happening after looking at the graph. And temperatures wise, the Realme X1 Max and the iQOO 7 device slightly kind of very same, I think, 38.8 and 39.2. So because both phones did reach the 39 degrees Celsius, but even with the low performance scores, but still the phone is getting really high temperatures. You can check the battery percentage in case if you want to know, 43, 53 and 35. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Meanwhile, signing off, and if you want, you can actually pause this video and take a look at the high scores. Which phone has got a high score, and average score, which one is the highest, and minimum, which is the lowest value as well. In this way, you'll be able to check it. Meanwhile, signing off friends, always I'll be trying to use only 100 threads. So in case if you are getting different kind of graph or maybe different kind of number, try to use this settings only. Only then you'll be able to get same results. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.